everybody. So this is Hero.
Hey.
This is Ginger.
Ginger. Hey, what's up?
This Bottlecap is Bottlecap. That's pronounced. This is Curly, and I'm Little Monster. I'm the best one here, and I'm the personality of this.
You are not the best one
talking to a freaking wall.
You are not the best one.
Oh yeah, I am. Wait, it's a wall. I thought it was a bunch of rocks. It's a wall. Dear Lord have mercy, it's a wall.
Hey, there's a soda can over there.
Yeah, we are at the beach right now.
First episode of Dazzles.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, motherfucker. Hero's going to take a shower. Hero's going to take a shower. Turn the camera around.
So, guys, this isn't funny.
Alright, whatever. Well, tune in next week, and we're actually going to have a funny video, because this is
an introduction, don't
yeah,
worry.
It's just a weird introduction.
Oh, God.
Sometime whenever we decide that we're going to do another one, we're going to make a new video.
Yeah.
But she is someday is going to have her own day, because she's a ginger.
Ginger day.
So she's going to have Ginger Day.
lives
No.
in
Keep that censored.
She lives not in here. In fact, I don't even know where we live.
She lives in another state.
We live.
Shut up.
So until next time.
This is
so gross.
guys. Until next time. This is
the
Dazzle.